YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we are finna wash my car clean and decorate it, which you already know what it is, honey. Stay tuned and we finna get into it, honey. Yes. Hey y'all, so I'm back. So today I'm thinking about trying to get some more decorations for my car. We're gonna see how that's gonna go. I want to get 2 pillows that's cute for the back seat, so it won't look just, you know, plain on the back part. And then I want to get, I might get some LED lights or whatever to go at the bottom, whatever. But I'll see how that go. But we finna go ahead. We finna head to this car wash and you know what's going on, baby. We finna go and get to this car wash, clean this car. You know what I'm saying? Make it freshy, clean. Other than that, I'll get back right with you. Okay, let's see what they got. I ain't like they ain't got that much. I'm trying to see what they got. I don't know. This is cute too. I wish this was in like black or red or something like that. I wish it was in that. Lord Jesus. I can't help it, I have to clean, I'm sorry.
The red one looks nice.
You like the red one? That's what I said too. You should do 3. You want to do 3 or 2?
3 sounds good.
Yeah.
I know.
Okay, let's see what we're gonna get. Those are cute too. These are cute, but they ain't got any white clothes.
I know.
Okay, so we trying to figure out what we gonna clean the car with. Because that's gonna be another thing. I probably get some wipes, some sprays, and stuff like that. So I see they got these wipes right here, the orange scent, which is a classic scent. I like that scent.
Right.
And then they got that ocean protection. And they got the texture check. I might do that ocean. The ocean shine in the head. Yeah.
Are you gonna get these ones right here? Or?
I might get some tiles.
Right.
Seeing if I can get some.
What's up?
Trying to see if I can get some tiles or whatever. How much are these for?
I think they are 4.
Hey, you can't go wrong with this big bundle of freaking towels. Like,
$4. That's decent.
yeah, that ain't bad at all. Okay, so we just get out the Walmart, honey. They are packed as hell up in that bitch. Ain't hardly nobody wearing a mask no more. Because they think it's summertime and they think the corona, well, can't say the whole word, but they think that C word, that COVID-19 is gone. Baby, it's not going because it's summertime. Wear y'all mask out there, please, and thank you. Believe me, I got my mask right here and I'm not playing. Simple as that. and yes, and Germax and whatever. Baby, you a mess. But for real though, we not playing in here. For real, hand me that Germax. Show them how serious I am. We ain't playing up in here. Germax, baby, I ain't playing. Put it on your hand.
AKA Versace.
Clean your hand. Clean your hand. Show them, baby. Show how you clean. Like that. That's what you supposed to be doing. If you're not doing it, something wrong with you. You need to clean. Keep yourself clean. Keep yourself protected. And let me tell y'all something. We on to the next store. I'm finna go back and see if I can go to AutoZone and see what they got. And then we finna get to it. Yeah, like, hey, this the owner of this nice ass fucking Impala, y'all. Look at this shit. Bro. shit nice. And he jamming out too, y'all. Y'all don't know this, man. Hey, that's nice. See you. You too. Thank you. Hey, y'all know what time it is. It's time to clean the car. The car. The car. Oh my gosh. But we literally been shopping for crap all day. Like for real. Babe, hand me that AutoZone. Babe. I'm finna show y'all what we bought at AutoZone. I'm so busy hyped about that dude car, man. We got some LED lights today. Y'all already know what it's gonna be. You feel me? Hey, we got them. I got these little cute little dice ball things so you can hang up on the mirror, the rear mirror thing. And then of course, I got a little cute keychain. A little Hello Kitty keychain, which is cute. And then of course some cleaning towels, cause y'all know how I am. We finna detail to clean the hell out this car. If you don't know what to do, we finna detail to clean up this car. We finna literally clean the hell out this bitch. I'm finna show y'all how to clean. So y'all gotta learn how to clean. And then little cute little girls who be decorating their cars and stuff, y'all don't be cleaning y'all stuff right. I'm gonna be real with y'all. No shade, but y'all don't be cleaning y'all stuff right. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. It's a certain way you have to do stuff, baby. Mama gonna show you how to clean today. You feel me? Let's get to it, baby. Okay, we back. I got this car pre-owned. This window was messed up. So as you can see, I taped it up with white tape or whatever. Did a little cute little job for it. Now, to get this window replaced, I called the glass people. It cost literally $400 to replace it. $200 for this little slice pie window. So, advisory, y'all. Do not break y'all shit and break this window because it costs more to replace this window than it does to replace this window. Okay, we're gonna get to it. Yeah. Y'all got to do it. You know how it is. First cleaning product we're using for the rugs. You ain't got to deep shampoo shit. This is a cheap way of doing it. $3, $2. Okay, next stuff I'm gonna use is protection stuff that we're gonna use for the door. Which I use either way. No car and shit. And this is how you do it. Okay, y'all, this is how y'all do a door. This stuff right here, which I'm gonna try to do it with one hand. But I'm gonna show y'all how to do this. Which my door is not that dirty, but this is how I clean my car. I don't play. This stuff right here, this shit right here is what you need. That ultra shine protection to clean your dashboard, all that shit. That shit be working. You gotta spray your door real good. You ain't gonna get what you supposed to be doing with it at all. Got the tiles we bought from Walmart. These microfiber tiles. These are good too. And you wipe your door like that with it. Make sure you get in them nooks. I ain't playing. That's how you detail clean the car, bro. You ain't gotta pay no $50, $60, $70, $80 to detail clean your car. And at the end of the day, you can do it yourself. And this shit good too. I love it. Back up there because I sure never wasn't looking.
I'm gonna show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide.
think you could just spray it. That'd be better.
Huh?
It'd be better if you just spray it.
And then wipe it. You want to wipe it?
Yeah.
You want me to spray with this? There you go. That's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Poppy, see, he got the ideas. Boy.
You can't stop it.
Yeah, you can't stop it. You feel me? That is nice. That's how you do it. See this? That's why you get a man, girl. The my fact tells them get a man, y'all can get a man too. You feel me? Yeah. Please. Big girl beginning. They got it looking nice. Looking nice while you doing it. We give it another one. Real. Got my yellow towel finna do the other back. Ooh, child. I almost fell on my legs. Almost fell. You should.
A lot of motorcycles.
Yeah, they up there trying to show off their motorcycles and shit like that. You know how that is. It looks nice though. I like their little motorcycles. Too bad they racist. I would ask the take a picture, take a video of it, but they racist as hell. Most of these motorcycles out here in Southern Illinois, most motorcycle gangs are racist. Just to let you know. And I'm in here in my afro today, and not my, oh my god, Becky hair today. So yeah, I am not gonna ask nobody for no pictures on no motorcycle. We finna get back to it, cleaning and stuff. And then after we get done cleaning, I will show you the rest, honey. And I'll be back in a second. You can see from the background, honey, it is late. I've been cleaning this car, doing this stuff for y'all, and it's nighttime. I will give people props that's decorating their car and stuff like that. I don't know how y'all do it. Y'all probably do it one day and then do it the next day filming. But you know how I am. I like doing my stuff all at once. So, man, I'm finna show y'all. We up here washing the car right now. You feel me? We washing it and stuff like that. Making it look nice. You feel me? So, yeah. I'll be right back. See, she getting washed, honey. My baby up here washing the hell out this car. And it's my baby. It ain't perfect at all. You know what I'm saying? I'm up here doing mostly engine work to it. I got some new rims on it and stuff. But, yeah, like, man. All I gotta say is, it's my baby. It's a Chevrolet Impala LS 2008. I think 3.5 engine or something like that. And it speeds good. I could upgrade it to turbo booster and all that shit, but it speeds good. Yeah, like, it's real good. I'm gonna get y'all a walk around of it and stuff in a second after it's done. You feel me? So, I'll be back. Ooh. Hey, y'all. Look at my baby. Giving y'all a walk around today. She deserves it. Just got done washing her and making her look good. Yes, honey. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, she looking good. She looking good. She looking good. Look at them. She looking good. Bruh. Y'all don't even know. Y'all ready for this inside? All right, now this is the inside, y'all. Dun, 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 dun. Dun. Look at that. That's gorgeous. That's how you supposed to clean. That's how you supposed to clean your car. Look, the door is organized. Door organized up there. There you go, my little dice looking shiny, looking good, good, good. Yeah. You feel me? We're finna get to this back door right here. Hey! Hey! Look at that. Baby! Y'all don't know nothing. Oh my god. That's just gorgeous. Woo! I love them lights, bro. I only got the lights in the back because I'm gonna put some different lights in the. Me in the front, I got some lights in the front, but I'm gonna put some different ones in the back. But y'all already know what it is. Your girl did what she did. Until next video, please like, subscribe, comment, and I will see ya later. Peace.